Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be discussing one of the most fascinating areas of biology, genetics. We'll explore how hereditary traits are passed down from parents to children, and what role DNA plays in the process. Genetics is the study of how traits are inherited from one generation to the next. Traits are characteristics that are passed down from parents to their offspring, such as eye color, hair texture, and height. The blueprint for these traits is found in our DNA, which is a complex molecule that carries genetic information. DNA is made up of 4 chemical building blocks called nucleotides, which combine in different sequences to create the genetic code. When an egg and a sperm combine during fertilization, they each bring half of the genetic information needed to create a new individual. This creates a unique combination of genetic traits in each offspring. The inheritance of traits can be predicted using Punnett squares, which are diagrams used to predict the probability of an offspring inheriting certain traits based on the parent's genetic makeup. There are 2 types of genes, dominant and recessive. Dominant genes will always express themselves, while recessive genes will only show up if both parents carry the gene. Sometimes, genetic disorders can occur when there are mutations in the DNA. These mutations can cause changes in the genetic code that can lead to physical or developmental abnormalities. It's important to note that genetics is not the only factor that determines an individual's traits. Environmental factors, such as nutrition and exposure to toxins, can also play a role. Epigenetics is a newer field of study that looks at how environmental factors can influence gene expression. It explores how factors like diet, stress, and exposure to pollutants can affect the way genes are turned on or off. Thank you for watching this video and learning about genetics. It's a fascinating field of study that helps us understand how we inherit traits from our parents and how we can use this knowledge to improve our health and well-being.